Okay, problem number 4 over. Now we'll start with problem number 5. Okay, problem number 5 is even more hard, so you need to be very careful during the explanation. Okay, chalo, what they have given is segment AB is such that AE, this is point E, AE is parallel to BD. Okay, this line is parallel to BD. If these two lines are parallel and AB is the transversal, then what we get is, okay, forget about that, we have to prove that angle, we have to prove that this line is parallel to, sorry, FA is parallel to CB. Okay, this line is parallel to this line, already they have given. You have to prove the other two lines are parallel. The other two lines are such that they bisect the angle EAB and angle DBA. Okay, if alternate angles are congruent, the angle bisector will also give you congruent angles only. If we cut down the angles into half and half, the remaining half, whatever is balanced, will be congruent to each other. So automatically दूसरा लाइन्स क्या हो जाएगा, पैरेलल हो जाएगा ड्यू टू अल्टरनेट एंगल टेस्ट. ओके, स्टेप वाइज हाउ विल वी गो. एंगल EAB is equal to angle ABD. Why? Alternate angle test for parallel lines. एंगल, ये लाइन मिल गया अपने को, एंगल EAB is equal to angle ABD. This is our first statement. Okay, multiply both side with half, 1/2. If you multiply with 1/2, you will get half of EAB is equal to half of ABD. Now what is half? Half of EAB is FAB and half of DBA is CBD. बरोबर. एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम, एंगल बाइसेक्टर अपन किया ना, एंगल बाइसेक्टर किया तो उसको हाफ करेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज हाफ, दिस इज हाफ. So from point 1 and point 2 we come to know that FAB, angle FAB is equal to angle ABC. दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगलचे हाफ घेतले, बायसेक्ट केला तर हाफ अँगल्स विल ऑल्सो बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो FAB is congruent to ABC. Now if we consider FA and CB as a parallel line and AB as a transversal, we already have alternate angles are congruent. Since alternate angles are congruent, therefore as per the forget, as per alternate angle test for parallel lines, hence proved that ray AF is parallel to ray CB. समझ में आया कैसे किया हम लोग ने पहला. we took these two rays, EA is parallel to BD, therefore alternate angle EAB is congruent to ABC. Then we multiplied this statement with half. दोन्ही साईडला स्टेटमेंटला हाफ ऑफ मल्टिप्लाय केला. half of EAB is FAB and half of ABD is ABC. Okay, we got half of the angles. Now considering this particular line and this line CB, FA and CB as parallel line and AB as a transversal, we already have FAB is congruent to ABC. Since alternate angles are congruent, hence we have proved that line or ray AF and ray BC are parallel to each other by alternate angle test. Okay, समझ में आ गया. इसका भी मैं solution, I'll send you a picture of that. Okay, now the last problem of practice set 2.2. Pay attention here. They have given this particular diagram where they have not said, they said this line PR, okay, PR and QS are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel and line segment EQ is a transversal. Okay, you have to prove AB is parallel to CD. Okay, how can you prove? First of all, and they said that these are angle bisector, they bisect the angle into equal half. Now present first case you take, PR and QS are parallel lines, therefore we have angle RPQ is congruent to PQS. Why? Alternate angle test. Okay, alternate angle test. We got this smaller one, congruent. Now this particular statement will multiply with 2. Here we have multiplied with half because आपण बाहेरच्या डायग्राममध्ये आतमधला डायग्राम फाइंड करत होते. इथे आतमधला डायग्रामचे मेजरमेंट दिले, आपल्याला बाहेरच्या डायग्रामचा फाइंड करायचं आहे. So now we will multiply this by 2. If we multiply this by 2, okay, if we multiply x with 2, we get 2x. 2x will be again PQC. Okay, twice of PQS will be PQC, and 2 into RPQ will be QPB. Okay, so now we have multiply by 2, already congruent. So even if you multiply both sides with 2, automatically the bigger angles are also congruent. So now we have BPQ is congruent to PQC. Barobar. Again, if you ignore these lines and look at the larger figure, we have alternate angle BPQ is congruent to angle PQC. Since they form the alternate angle, if therefore by alternate angle test line B is parallel to line D. समझ में आया? Easy है, मैं फिर से repeat करता हूँ. Okay, look here. Now this is the diagram they have already said, but here the outer lines, the bigger lines, they are parallel or not. They have not given. They have asked you to prove that the outside lines are parallel. Okay, they have taken here ray PR and ray QS as what they have said. These lines are parallel, these rays are parallel. So now consider these lines as parallel lines and this as a transversal PQ. So we have angle RPQ is congruent to PQS. Multiplying this statement both sides with 2, we get 2 RPQ is equal to 2 PQS. Now we'll take individually RPQ. 2 RPQ is equal to BPQ and 2 PQS is equal to 2 PQC. Okay, so now we have dividing with 2, we get BPQ is equal to PQC. Now in the larger picture we have line B and line AB and line CD, and take line E as the transversal. So we get angle BPQ is congruent to PQC, which is alternate angle. If alternate angles are congruent, then the line AB and line CD are parallel by alternate angle test. Okay, समझ में आ गया? Recap. Once you write down the solution and listen to the video and write down the solution twice, automatically you will understand the problem. Okay, so our practice set 2.2 is over. Tomorrow we'll start with problem set of lesson 2. Yes, in this particular lesson there were only 2 practice set, 2.1 and 2.2, which we have already covered. Means the lesson is already covered. अब फक्त प्रॉब्लम सेट सॉल्व करायचा, लेसन संपेल. देन विल स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट लेसन, दैट इज ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, लाइन हो गया, पैरेलल लाइन्स हो गया. वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ ट्रायंगल्स, देन सर्कल्स अँड देन क्वाड्रिलॅटरल. लेवल वाढत जाणार आहे. प्रॉब्लेमचा लेवलसुद्धा, प्रॉब्लेमचा हार्डनेस लेवलसुद्धा वाढणार आहे. ओके, चलो, द व्हिडिओ इज ओवर. आय विल सेंड यू द pictures of all the 6 problem solution. Sorry, 5 problem, no, 6 problems. 6 problem, all solutions I'll send you. Recap. We have done problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 and 6. So all these 6 problem has been covered in 2 videos, and I'll send you 6 photographs. Okay, chalo, bye.